we're going to be finding the mean, median, mode, range, and outliers of data. We're just going to be using a dot plot to do so. So remember, the mean is they're not like each other. They're mean, they're not sharing. We need to put them all together and then divide them out by how many there are, so they're all sharing. The median, we take them and put them in order, and then we find the middle. They have to be in order though. The mode, it happens the most, mode, most. And it's not the one that's the biggest, it's the one that happens the most. The range, we take the biggest number, subtract the smallest one, see how far apart they're spread out. And then the outlier, it lies outside of the group. It does not fit in. So let's take a look here at this dot plot. So this is about books read last summer. So we can see a student read this many books, a student read this many books, or a person read that many books. So very first thing, we're putting them in order. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is nice because they're already in order from the dot plot, but we need to list them out so we can find some different information. Now we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So there's 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3 of those. A 3. 2 4s. A 5. And then a 7, an 8, and a 9. 7, 8, 9. We're not listing 6 because there were no 6s. Nobody read 6 books. Okay, so the mean, these are not sharing right now. They're not even and equal to each other. So we want to add them all together. So we're going to add them all together. And then we are going to divide by how many people read books, or didn't read books, I guess, how many people they asked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're going to divide that by 20 to see what is the average number of books people were reading over the summer. And I'm thinking because we have a lot of these numbers here, it should kind of be pulled to a smaller number. Hey, the medians, we've put them in order. So we're going to match, 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 match. So we're just finishing matching. So we are left with 2 numbers that do not have matches. So we need to find the middle of these. So we're adding 1 and 2, and then we're dividing it by 2 to find the middle, the median middle of these numbers. Okay, the mode is the one that happens the most. This is nice because it's on the dot plot. We can already clearly see which one happens the most. So the most books read, it's the one that was most common. Okay, the range, we're taking the most read books, which was 9, and we're subtracting the least amount of books read was 0. So we're seeing how far are these numbers spread out. And then the outlier, right, there's a gap, but right, 5 is close to 7, 7 is close to 8, 8 is close to 9. So there is no outlier. These happen to not have an outlier. They're like each other. So there you go. So I want you to choose another dot plot to find the mean, median, mode, and range and outlier of. So the very first thing you need, the very first thing you need to do is put them in order, least to greatest, and then go through, find the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and the outlier. If you're not sure what those mean, here's some ideas that can help get you started.